Today we've got something really exciting. We're going to go pick up our brand new van, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to watch this video to find out. But the first person to guess what it is, let me know in the comments below and I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Let's go get it. It's white, it's got roof bars, and it's got bird poo. It's got 2 seats, it's got wind up windows, so it might be pretty old. It's got a 1.6 engine, it's got steel wheels. As you can guess it, it's a VW. We have bought a VW Crafter van. I'm only joking guys, it's not a VW Crafter, it's a VW Caddy Maxi 2014 white one.
Woo! Next project.
There we have it guys, we have got a Volkswagen Caddy Maxi. It's 2014, 1.6 engine. It's white, as I said before, and you can tell. It's got really nice service history. The garage you bought it from is local, so that was ideal. They've just done a fresh camber, water pump, full service. The MOT history is super clean. Bodywork's really nice. So yeah, it's going to be a great project. The inside, that's a bit of a different story. It's not very good inside, but that's why it's going to be a really good project. So we're going to do lots of videos showing you guys how-tos of doing the whole conversion. So hope you follow along, and these videos will really help you guys out, and it will make it into a really nice camper. So now we've seen the outside, let's have a look at what's going on the inside. See the little bit of the mess I was talking about. So we're in the back of the van now guys. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess, but that's really good for us because it's going to make a really good project. So we're super excited because we got something that was like really good. There'd be no project would there, and no videos for you guys to follow along. So as you can see, it's like a builder's van, maintenance van, maybe a painter and decorator. So it hasn't really been looked after that well, but you know, it served its job for the guy who owned it. So as you can see, there's lots of scratches around the edges, so we're going to have to paint all that up, make it look all nice again. There's little bits of rust around the edge, you know, what you normally find in the van this kind of age. So we're going to, you know, treat that, hammerite it, make it all look really good. Obviously there's bits of specks up here. I don't know if they've had like a bit of a party back here, paint, or maybe it's like Doritos. There's some orange specks all over the roof, and they've repainted a bit here. So don't know what's been going on in this van. You know, it could have been one of those weird vans, but you know, that's what's happened. So we're going to rip all the roof out, we're going to rip the floor out. The plywood on the doors is pretty good, to keep that. This plywood here is pretty good as well, but our plan is to clad it all down the side because we think that will look a lot better for a camper. So we're going to rip it all out. So if anybody wants this plywood, drop us a message in the comments or PM us, and we can sort out a price and send that to you. You know, so you know, we're not going to waste anything. But yeah, let's have a look in the cab. So before we go in the cab, as you can see here, the plastic trim is a little bit dirty, so again we're just going to clean all that up. Probably use back to black, get it all looking nice. And also you've got the bulkhead here, so again we'll take all that out as well. So we're in the cab now, pretty standard cab, it's pretty nice. You've got your heater, radio. As you can see, the seats are a bit tatty, so we're going to vax them, clean them up all nice. We'll then customise the cab, we'll get some floor mats, we'll get stuff to put on the steering wheel, the foot pedals, you know, we'll give it a really deep clean and make it really nice. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all for the cab. If you guys have any ideas that were missed to make the cab better, let us know in the comments as well. So that's pretty much it for the van tour guys. We're super excited for this. I mean, I absolutely love the colour. I don't know if I actually prefer the white to the blue. I'm not really sure on that one, but we'll see when we get along whether it'll... The blue looks really nice, British Gas Caddies, they've got a big following, but the white, I don't know, the white just looks pretty smart. But yeah, I like this one. It's got big old tyres, you know, I know they're steel wheels instead of alloys, but big old tyres, a lot smoother rides, a lot nicer to drive. And I mean, just look at this bonnet, like, they just look so good. It just looks great. And it's pretty windy. So thanks for watching guys, that is the end of our van tour. Thanks very much for everyone helping us get into 1,000 subscribers so far. We bought this van as a hobby, and you know, because we love doing conversions and love the old one so much, just want to do this one. And after this I want to do a T5, and then after that I want to do a Sprinter. So I'm really hooked on van life and doing all this. But if you could subscribe, that would really help us out, because it really helps support the channel, and it makes doing these videos a lot more worthwhile because we're trying to help you guys out and share our processes. So we're going to do loads of how-to videos to show you on the full scale how to convert a VW Caddy Maxi from start to finish. So in our next video we're going to start the conversion by taking out the bulkhead and the flooring and cleaning it all out and starting the insulation. So please hit that subscribe button and follow on for the next video. Thanks for watching.